I think it's the last day of super cold weather, but we're about to go meet up with the other ZX4RR that has like a full system and another tune by Vcyculnut or something. So we're gonna meet up with him. I need some gas. I see my gas ticking, so we'll get some gas. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please like if you're new, subscribe, and enjoy. What's up, guys?
What's going on?
How's it going?
What's up, man? How are
Nice
you?
to meet you.
Nice
Tarek.
to meet you.
Tarek, nice to meet you. What's up, Preston?
Hey, check it, man.
Oh, that's fire. Yeah,
You want me to do a startup?
Yeah, start it.
You want me to record it? You want? One second.
Ooh. It's very deep.
Oh, you fucking booked it, man. Damn.
You want to be left or inside or out?
What do you? You know this road, so I'll be on the.
Either way, the only reason I said from here is because you're coming like behind, you know.
Yeah. So we're gonna come here and fly this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god.
And then I got a.
That's sick.
That's tough.
And then there was a shot
I
of
felt
you
it, bro. When we
coming
were
the other
doing it, I
way.
was like, this is gonna look so good. We were perfect sync.
See? When I transfer it on my phone, you're gonna be able to hear the full. But this now is like camera has small speakers.
Hey, no worries.
But this was sick. You see the sky?
Yeah.
That's like no music, nothing. That's sick.
Like riding off. Now you're gonna pass next thing. Riding off into the sunset, literally.
That is so tough. That is so.
But yeah,
That's sick, bro.
I'm glad I.
That's gonna be so fun.
It was nice to
Thank
meet
you
you
so much.
You have a good one, alright?
Yeah, you too, guys.
Are you gonna continue recording, or are you going back home?
I can if you want a little.
It's up to you. You're the content creator, so.
Whatever you want. You want to go like rip a couple rips and go home?
Yeah.
Then we like say bye, just split off? All right. Do you know how to go home?
I'll figure it out.
I'm glad you stopped in time.